Hi, this is Doña, and I am normally in my real life a digital marketer. Am I still a digital marketer? Or am I a uke player? Well, I started to show up as an example how to uke and how to make a vlog, but it got my passion because normally I'm a studied music therapist and I'm teaching handpan and didgeridoo and music therapy and all that craziness in music style and free play. And yes, I never played a string instrument and I got addicted and I'm playing now the uke for just 1 year, and I would say I'm an intermediate player right now. And every Saturday I do a new tutorial about what I'm learning at the moment or what I am practicing at the moment, and want to join you and accompany me on my journey to the ukeverse. And well, it makes so much fun, and I started it in German and the community grows so much. And it got more and more international because I joined Cynthia Lynn's 100 Days of Ukulele, and the people did ask me if I can do it in English because it's international for the easiness. So, well, I did. And yeah, here I am. And I want to teach you the free play and the easiness of making music and not being addicted to some things. You have to be a free player and express yourself from inside to outside without pressure and rules. And if you find the easiness to play, then we can talk about theory and everything. But the connection and love and happiness to the positive vibration is the most important thing. And this is what I want to teach and share you. And if you want to know anything more about music, ukulele play, handpan and theory, feel free to ask me, and please join me on my journey. I also do a Patreon page where I did PDFs and MP3 files that you have anything to download and to go ahead with your beautiful journey of the ukulele. I love you. See you soon. Doña.